This week, we will continue to talk about kindness, and we will think about that essential question, how do you show kindness? I have a poem for you today called Kindness Is. It is by Patrick Murphy, he's the author, and it's illustrated by Steve Mack. And I'm going to read it through one time, and I want you to pay careful attention how the words on the page go. We've talked about this before. You always read the left page before you read the right page, and you always start at the top. You move toward left to right, and you read toward the bottom. So you go from top to bottom and from left to right when you read. This is kindness is. Kindness is having 2 crayons and sharing one. Kindness is taking turns, so everyone has fun. Kindness is inviting a new neighbor to play. Kindness is a gift we can give every day. Now, when we are reading the book or the poem Kindness Is, we are going to use the comprehension strategy, making connections. So good readers sometimes connect what's happening in a story or poem to their life or what they already knew about that topic from another book that they've read. So they think about other things in their life or things that they've read that have to do with the selection they're reading right now. So let's read Kindness Is using that comprehension strategy of making connections. Kindness is having 2 crayons and sharing one. Kindness is taking turns, so everyone has fun. Now remember, good readers make connections with what they already know and what they are reading. When I read that kindness is taking turns, it kind of reminds me of like recess time when everybody wants to use the monkey bars, but instead of crowding around it, each person waits in line so that everyone has their turn and everyone can have fun. Kindness is inviting a new neighbor to play. Kindness is a gift we can give every day. Now, they also make connections between what they see in illustrations and what the words or the text is saying. And in this illustration, I see a little girl and she's holding a ball, and I see a boy that's waving hello. And it kind of looks like the girl is inviting the boy to play. And since the poem says inviting a new neighbor to play, the boy must be the new neighbor, and the girl is asking him to play. I can also think about how I feel when I meet a new neighbor. I'm a little nervous, but excited. And when I make connections to my own experiences, I can understand what's happening in the poem better. Now, I also wanted to talk to you about what we've said in the past about poems. And we've said that poems can rhyme and poems can repeat themselves. So let's see if those things are happening in this poem. Kindness is having 2 crayons and sharing one. Kindness is taking turns, so everyone has fun. Did you hear a rhyming pair? Did you hear one and fun? They do rhyme. They sound alike. I will read the first. You finish the second of the rhyming pair. Kindness is having 2 crayons and sharing one. Kindness is taking turns, so everyone has fun, right? All right, let's check over here if we see any more rhyming. Kindness is inviting a new neighbor to play. Kindness is a gift we can give every day. Did you hear a rhyming pair? Play and day. They do sound alike. All right, I'll read it again. This time you finish the rhyming pair. Kindness is inviting a new neighbor to play. Kindness is a gift we can give every day, right? So yes, this poem, Kindness Is, does have rhyme. Let's see if it has repetition. Now remember, repetition is something that is said over and over again. So do you see any repetition in the poem Kindness Is? Right, they keep saying kindness is. The name of the poem is Kindness Is, and every sentence starts with the two words, kindness is. Kindness is having two crayons and sharing one. Kindness is taking turns so everyone has fun. Kindness is inviting a new neighbor to play. Kindness is a gift we can give every day. So yes, this poem has both rhyme and repetition. Before I let you go, we do need to talk about your vocabulary word that's on this page. And your vocabulary word is highlighted in yellow, and it is the word inviting. Now, when you talk about the word inviting, it's a form of the word invite, which means to ask someone to go somewhere or to do something.
Inviting, a form of the word invite, to ask someone to go somewhere or do something. I am inviting my class to my birthday party. I am asking everyone to come.
All right, so they were inviting people to a birthday party. I'm sure you've heard that before. All right, with this video, I have left some questions in the assignment for you to discuss with your big person. Those questions are, when have you shared, taken turns, or invited a new friend to play? And how did that show kindness? And do you agree that kindness is a gift we can give every day? Why did you say what you said? All right, so discuss those things with your big person as we continue to talk about how do you show kindness.